Hey folks, welcome back to this episode of Jamison Run. Today we've got a ton of great things to do. So we had a rainstorm over the weekend and it showed us a little bit as to where our water is running, and right now I think we have a pretty good idea as to where the things that we've cut in recently and the way that we're grading things is going really well. So the driveways are looking good, water's draining the way we want it to so far. But today we are going to be spreading some shale dropped off by our local farmers. Thank you again, gentlemen. And they brought us 3 triaxle loads of shale because they're putting in a new silo and knew that we needed a little bit of material. So they were kind enough to drop these 3 triaxle loads off. So I'm estimating probably 80 ton of material we're going to move here to get this road in. We have it cut in. We have good shale up top until where it gets flat. You can start to see the tire tracks out there. So we're going to be bringing that road and using these 3 to kind of bring this road across these big chunks of concrete. And if nothing else, we just want to be able to get the road drivable by the end of today, because we have, as you can see in the background, a lot of wood to process very, very quickly here. So we need a good smooth path to get in and out, whether it's raining or not. So that's today's goal. We're gonna get that stuff put into place. I hope you enjoy. Yeah, stay tuned. got those 3 loads of shale, 3 tracks with loads of shale kind of spread out. So this is what we have going on here. We've got basically, I would say probably 15 foot here. It's a little wider over here, but about 15 foot from the edge of the woods line over here by the creek on back. And we've kind of got it curved up and around and into where all of our wood processing equipment is right now. But looking pretty good right now. We've tried to roll it in just by driving the tractor back and forth, and honestly, it's done that kind of as I've spread it out, back drug it, it's kind of tamped it down, rolled it down in regardless. So we're off to a good start here. We got to wait for some more material, so I would expect in the next day or two, the farmers are probably going to bring us some more, and you know, so we'll go ahead and spread that out as we go along here. The next thing we need to tackle, this seems to be where the water's collecting now. We definitely see it. It's kind of I dug a hole there when I was trying to get stuff out, and I was trying to bury a lot of this brick in there. So we got that block in there. I'm gonna get some more of the stuff that we have crushed up concrete, some of the smaller pieces to set on top of this and kind of roll that in, and then we'll get some shale on top of there. And then I think that'll dry that up and make that pretty solid here as we go. So yeah, that's where we're at right now. I appreciate you guys tuning in. I'll get you with the next video. See you then.